I finally did it. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I have officially saved my first $10,000. I can't believe it. It's been a journey, but I'm here to share with you guys how I did it in hopes that this will inspire you to also start saving money because it's never too late. I was working a full-time job and I wanted to save up enough money to get a new car. The whole premise of this channel is based on budgeting. I created a spreadsheet. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of boring. But the good news is there are a lot of free resources online to help you make your own budget. So I have one savings account for my emergency fund, and then I have another savings account that is separate for this car fund. There were definitely times where I went over budget and I was unable to save as much as I wanted to. I had a picture of the car that I wanted and I put it as my phone background so that every time I looked at my phone, I was reminded of why I was saving. You guys have to do what works for you. Maybe that's writing down your goal or making a vision board. But whatever it is, just keep your goal in the front of your mind and don't give up. But you know what? It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Just keep trying. Having these separate accounts keeps me more accountable, and it also helps me stay organized. And if you guys want me to make another video about how I personally create my budget, let me know down below. But basically, what I did was I took a look at my income and all of my expenses and I made a plan for how much I would be able to save each month. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye. Just take it one step at a time. Create a budget, open a savings account, save consistently, visualize your goal, and don't give up. The key thing is that I didn't give up. I know a lot of people would have bought a brand new car with this money, but I personally think buying used is the smarter option. You can get a car that's almost brand new for a cheaper price. So that's what I'm going to do. I kept going even when it was difficult. And I'm so glad that I did because now I can call myself a 10K saver. Now I didn't want any hand-me-down car. I wanted something that was mine. So I set out on this journey to save up for my dream car. So just a little backstory. When I first started thinking about saving up this money, it was at the beginning of last year. I had just graduated from college. The first thing I did was I set a budget. You guys know this. Now I won't sugarcoat it. The process of creating a budget isn't fun, but it's so worth it. This is going to be different for everybody. Everybody has different incomes, different expenses, but just figure out what works for you. Then after that, I opened the savings account. All you need to do is cut back on some of your spending and put that money into a savings account. For example, let's say you go out to eat once a week. That could probably be cut back to once a month. You could take that extra money that you're saving and put it towards your goal. It doesn't have to be difficult. Just find little areas where you could potentially cut back and then at the end of the month, put that extra money towards your savings. A lot of people might think that saving money is hard, but I promise you it's really easy. Now, I personally like to have a separate savings account for different goals. After that, I just consistently saved each month. Sometimes I was able to save more, sometimes I was able to save less. And something else that really helped me was I visualized my goal. It took me 12 months to save up $10,000. Some months I saved $300. Other months I was able to save $1,000. Now that I've achieved my goal of saving up 10K for a car, I'm actually going to use that money to buy a used car. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of you guys are also working towards your own financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what your financial goals are. I would love to hear from you guys.